This is a 2010 Cadillac CTS. It has a 3.6-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include a navigation system, keyless ignition, a low tire pressure indicator, a DVD video player, 10 perfectly positioned speakers, a performance package, direct injection, big 18-inch wheels, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. The following features are also included: a memory package, a power driver's seat, cruise control, leather seats, an illuminated passenger side vanity mirror, side impact airbags, a split folding rear seat, steering wheel mounted controls, a rear parking aid, and this vehicle has fewer than 31,000 miles on the odometer. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.